Well, the city of Columbus is seeing a new drug on the streets, xylazine.
You may have heard of this drug being used to tranquilize animals, but we're told it's now being found in street drugs. Members of various departments are working to raise awareness, get ahead of it, and keep the community safe. It's a new drug city officials are trying to get ahead of.
It's new to the city. We have a couple of people in a couple of different agencies are saying that it's something new that they hadn't seen before either.
Used as a sedative for animals, Jaquay Sherrod with Columbus Fire and Rescue says xylazine, or Tranq, has been making the rounds in Columbus. Director of the Forensic Crime Lab in Columbus, Claudette Gilman, says she has only seen a couple cases of it, but she knew this was serious.
When I realized it was making the rounds, it was very scary. So I wanted to make department heads aware, along with the mayor and COO, that this is what we're seeing and it's a community issue. And so we need to let people know that this is out there.
The Columbus Police Department provided us an interview with Public Information Officer Brian Moore, who says the department wants citizens to be aware of these dangers and help them get the drug off the streets.
Tranq is xylazine and fentanyl mixed together, which on the streets, most drugs that involve those are oxycodone, and it's hard to tell the difference from a fake oxycodone and a real oxycodone. So because these pills are so similar in appearance, it's hard to tell the difference between the street drug called Tranq and or the prescribed drug oxycodone.
Gilman says the combinations she's seeing are coming in as a counterfeit pharmaceutical pill disguised as oxycodone. Sherrod says this drug is heavily sedating to users, and Narcan does not pull the victim out of the trance. Gilman says the drug is more alarming in a sense of what will reverse the effects of the xylazine and combination drugs.
It's more of a danger in the sense of if you're out there seeing it and you're thinking you're seeing just fentanyl, so you use Narcan and then it's not working, you're wondering what's going on.
However, the Narcan will still counter the effects of the fentanyl if it's mixed with xylazine.
Well, my understanding, I think it's basically being introduced to drugs now to make it drugs stronger and to add weight to the drug.
It's scary for the people using, and it's scary for the first responders, and then definitely lab staff, because we're all coming into contact with it. And at this moment, we don't know how to reverse the effects.
Since the Narcan isn't always effective against sedation, Sherrod says the department has been going back to the basics, treating it as a life-threatening situation the best way they know how. Sherrod says the biggest concern is the uncertainty that comes with the new drug.
Knowing what to do, it's gonna tie up resources longer from the information that we get in on how to treat it. So that means that we're gonna have guys on scene longer. Going to be need more advanced help as well, and it's a world of other things that's going to come down the line. Right now we're just taking it bit by bit.
Anyone who witnesses an overdose should call 911, administer Narcan if possible, and don't leave the person unattended. Sherrod emphasizes to still use the Narcan. He says the drug is still new to them, so the department is looking more into it about more ways to combat it. We have also reached out to the Mississippi State Department of Health to hear their perspective on a statewide scale.